Unleash your potential with online learning. In today's fast-paced world, interconnected as it is, learning has no boundaries. Mark Twain once said, "Don't let school interfere with your education." Online education services are opening doors to knowledge like never before. So rub out the boundaries, let some air in. Imagine learning anything, anytime, anywhere, from physical skills or street arts and sports to personal development and vocational education. The possibilities are endless. Take parkour, for example. Parkour is getting from place to place as fast as possible with the greatest of ease. Online tutorials can help you master efficient movement, boost physical fitness, and enhance problem-solving skills for overcoming obstacles. Parkour is much more than that though. Parkour promotes environmental awareness, with risk and fear management being integral components of the development process. Do you want to feel safer and more confident? Online self-defense courses provide expert techniques and workouts for skills training and conditioning that you can learn from the comfort of your own home. Like parkour, it is much more, requiring many of the same skills and attributes. Fitness goals are now within reach. Professional trainers guide you through personalized online sessions, helping you lose weight, build muscle, and improve overall fitness and health. In particular, functional fitness programs incorporate practical exercises that support and empower your capabilities for both sports and everyday life. Online learning platforms offer interactive, engaging content that breaks traditional educational barriers. Multimedia learning allows you to learn and put it into practice at your own convenience to create a truly functional blend of education and exercise. Collaborate with us to break down the silos and bridge the gaps between knowledge systems, people, and cultures. What are you waiting for? Your adventure begins today. Embrace online education to unlock your potential. Transform your perspectives and you will transform your life. Your journey of personal growth starts now. With countless online resources at your fingertips, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Join Setsley for an unparalleled range of cross-functional training and experiential learning, from street arts and sports to vocational education. Join us today.